Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. This is how I do my eyebrows at home. So I start off by moisturizing my face with the Drunk Elephant LaLa Retro whipped cream. Once everything is moisturized, there are 3 tools that I use: the long razor, the short precise razor, and the tweezers. Then I first start with the tweezers to remove any unwanted hairs around the brow. Once finished, I next go with the larger razor, usually around the top area and the middle, to remove the hair and to also give the brow shape. Then I use the smaller, more precise razor to go under the brow and also remove any other unwanted hairs and fix the shape of the brow completely to my liking. Once finished, I go ahead and do a good brush through and double check that I have achieved the shape that I want and I have removed all of the hairs that I no longer want around my brow.